Welcome to quiz-blitz. I hope everything's going well for you. 30 AP statistics questions, mean, median, and standard deviation. Comment your score and subscribe to quiz-blitz for more AP and SAT quizzes. Easy level. Quick stats check. Let's see if this clicks. Four. AP Stats students, this one's easy. Five. Don't overthink it, just pick. Mean. This is basic AP stats, promise. Seven. Stats quiz time, lock in your answer. Zero. If you know mean and median, you're good. Mean. Simple stats question coming up. The middle. Most students get this right, do you? Ten. This one's straight from class. Spread out. Quick AP stats warm-up. Option B. Medium level. Easy stats question, no tricks. Median. If numbers make sense, this is free. It increases. Stats check before the test. Median. Take 5 seconds and answer. 8. You've seen this in homework. 0 or positive. AP stats made quick, let's go. Eight. Pause if you need, then answer. Option B. Don't rush but don't overthink. Right skewed. This is one of the easy ones. It increases by that number. Stats question, keep it simple. It stays the same. Hard level. Hard level, mean, median, mode, let's go. Six. Quick stats math, no stress. $200. High school stats check. Median. This shows up a lot on exams. It doubles. AP Stats Basics, right here. Option D. You don't need a calculator for this. It doubles. Stats question, lock it in. Symmetric. If this feels hard, slow down. More clustered. Clean stats question. Sort the data. Last one, simple question, real AP vibe. Standard deviation. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share and subscribe.